This is scary and slippery. I'm gonna fall. Okay. Hey guys. So what? Okay. Right now I'm trying to hike. Hiking noises. Okay. We're trying to make our way to Grotto Falls today. We just started on the trail and it like stormed last night. So everything is all muddy and I don't know what kind of dirt this is, but it is slippery. Like crazy slippery. And it's steep. And I'm afraid I'm gonna fall.
There's stairs over here.
Okay.
No. I wish I had hiking boots.
We're gonna have to wash our shoes when we get back.
I don't think hiking boots would help the slipperiness.
Yeah, watch stepping on rocks next.
Oh, the rocks are so slippery. What the hell?
We got
Seriously? I'm gonna go on the other side of the tree.
Don't walk on the rocks.
Just walk on the outside and it's fine, guys.
Oh my gosh. This is one I am supposed to take all day to do this trail.
Julian,
I'm on a slip and slide right now. Climbing up the hill on it.
Don't step on the rocks.
I'm not
my
stepping
shoes
on a
are all
rock.
clogged up.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, wait, I gotta
There's a hole?
dry up my shoes.
There's a hole.
I'm gonna step on this rock.
There's a hole. There's a hole.
Guys, go through.
Okay.
Don't walk through there. That's actually so cool.
Cassie crossing the river. I guess, yeah.
Should we run past?
Yeah, some of the festers. Oh. Watch out.
Go ahead. Good idea.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
Is the hat okay?
What the heck kind of a bug is that? Heck no.
Ryan, go up there. Go here?
Not that way. Go that way.
Go that way. Oh.
No.
Over here.
No.
No.
Right there.
Oh, she wants a picture.
Yes.
I thought you were trying to cross.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's cool.
I know. Not gonna fall.
I'm hiking up there.
That's scary.
Yeah, but I want to pick how scary we are. While walking?
Do you need help?
Oh, I'm good. Where's your brother and sister? Whoa. That is not balanced.
What?
This rock.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, can I get that?
Yeah, whatever you want.
funny. Where's Joanna? Oh.
She's up there. You know what I want to do? I want to sit at that rock and stick my legs over it.
Put on what rock?
That big rock over there. At the waterfall
I think it says not to climb on the rocks.
We're up there and down here.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, we're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. Yeah. Oh wait, in where? Are you allowed? I don't know. Go! You want to go by yourself?
Okay, oh my gosh, so we are almost back to the car. I was not able to film most of coming down the trail because it was so muddy and so slippery, and like gravity was like working against you going down because it was like pushing you down. We had a couple slips and falls. I fell only once. Juliana fell like 3 times. But we are almost back to civilization. I can see some cars. I need to go pee so bad. Okay, and we have, oh my gosh, I see concrete, gravel, pavement. We have made it back. Look at this, beautiful. I'm alive. Really, that's all that matters. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're gonna get back to the car, go pee, get some lunch. I'm so hungry. But I think like overall, got here, like we left around 8. And probably got here around like 8:30, 9 or something like that. And it's 11 now, like 11:07. So, I mean, pretty much it like took us 2 hours to like walk up to the waterfall, take pictures, vlog some up there, and then walk all the way back down. So I mean, like all in all, it was a lot shorter than we thought it was gonna be online. People were like, oh, it's like an all-day thing, but I don't know, it didn't end up being an all day thing, even with the mud. But it was a lot of fun. Juliana, do you guys say anything about how much fun you had?
I fell multiple times, so.
Nick, you have anything to say? No, nothing?
No, it was pretty good.
Oh, okay.
It was pretty good.